It's Weld City, motherfuckers.
Purchase your tracks today.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Backyard Boogie, and I'm back with another boogie. So, can I even say that? I don't know. I probably can. This ain't no comedy or skit video, though. Whatever. So, you see I got my welding helmet on. Got my gloves. I got a regular fit on. Look at this.
Jesus Christ.
The ultimate welding fit. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, get out here. Nah, but what I'm doing is, your boy got a couple little spots. One is rear end. I wanted to touch up, strengthen up some more. Kind of make it look a little better than it was, which it did. I kind of got started, and then I was like, oh yeah, I got a YouTube channel now. Let me put that on there. So no, I didn't forget about y'all.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
I probably shouldn't have said that though. Y'all gonna be like, hey, what's wrong with you? I ain't coming back. Unsubscribe, 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 unsubscribe. Just kidding. But no, that's what I'm doing here. So I'm gonna try to find somewhere to set y'all up, so y'all can just see small little work, small little video, nothing crazy. Set y'all up. Y'all can see what's going on. Let's get it cracking. So what I got going on here is, first of all, I'm not starting nothing until y'all subscribe. And you know what? It's going to tell me, because I got to watch. Oh well. Did you subscribe? No? Alright, whatever. Cool. Alright, so what I got going on here is, I got my rear end off my Caddy. As y'all can see, I already reinforced it, baby. Yeah, there's no video on that. I did that before I started the channel. But, I got a little bit of work to do, like around here and whatnot. It's hot. I gotta, I can reinforce it a little better, make it a little better. So that's what I'm here. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna shut up and you can watch me. Let's get it. Damn it! Fuck!
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
Alright, so what I'm doing here is, you see me, I got this little torch, propane, whatever, and I'm preheating the cast iron. And I can't tell you what it does, because I really don't know, but I know people say do it, and I've seen people do it, and I think it cleans the porosities to make it easier to weld on this cast iron right here. So that's what I'm doing here. Trying to just get it hot, But I don't think, you don't want it too hot, because I think you can blow through this. You just want a little heat on it. Something to keep it a little warm, you know what I mean? I think I might be adding too much heat, but I don't know. The other side came out good, it worked for me, so I'm just gonna stop it there. I'm gonna grab my welding gun and get to work. trusty steed, Harbor Freight Water 170. Yeah, it's pretty good. Can't feel me yet. You know what I mean? It's gonna be alright. Started off with the 125, but this 170, sweet. Can y'all see that? Oh. Let me just do this. Yes, sir. I'm done. Told you it was quick. That was a quick one, bro. That's what she said. Go ahead and brush her off some, because I can't find my good wiring wheel. And that's the correct thing to do when you're working on something. Not able to find something. Do the other stuff. Got some gaps there. This is my first time reinforcing the rear end. I guess I could weld some of that. I really wanted to hit this. This was the main goal. Hit all this. I can't keep doing this, bro. I can't keep doing this. I need this. I need this. It's not gonna work either. Like that. Look at it not working. Look at it. Look at it not working. And what the fuck is that? I need to get a new seal, or I hope I can break it. Alright, I'm putting y'all down. I gotta do this. I'll be back. Alright, yeah, I'm back. I took a hiatus. So what? But that's what we got. I got a lot of freaking spatter everywhere. I don't know how to control that. I don't know. But I'll grind it down. Whatever. That's what we got. This is our reinforced rear end. So I forgot there's some people on here that don't really know about cars or whatnot. Y'all just follow me for support, and I appreciate y'all. So I forgot to mention what reinforcing the rear end does and why I'm doing it. So obviously I'm running hydraulics in the car. If you don't know anything about hydraulics, hydraulic pressure is really, really strong. Hydraulic pressure is used on a lot of machines, equipment and all that stuff, stuff I do every day, running heavy machinery. And if you see the big stuff that picks up big concrete slabs, rocks, trees, everything. So imagine putting that on a car. Yeah, under a lot of pressure and hydraulic tension, I'll fold this rear end like a lawn chair. Boom, fold it. So that's what I'm doing. This let me see if I can flip it for you. Is that cool? Yeah. So basically this creates a stronger reinforcement. It keeps it from folding up both ways. I think it keeps it from crumbling and pulling it this way, and it keeps it from folding it that way. So that's what reinforcing the rear end does. Like I said, under hydraulic pressure, when I go up and I lock this thing out or doing whatever, I can fold this thing up, and I don't want to fold it up. So that's why I reinforced it. No lawn chairs over this way. So that's just a little quick, I don't know what you want to call it, a quick tip, something, I don't know, a lesson. There you go, a quick lesson on what reinforcing the rear end does for those who don't know. Went ahead, I had a little bit of undercut. I think I still got some right there. Whatever. Fix it here. Yeah, it'll be alright. I went and filled that in. That up here was way worse. So if I ever decide to smooth it out, flap disc it, it'll come out even. Whatever. It's a Lowrider, it's not a spaceship. This is what my boy Rob said. We ain't building rocket ships, so they ain't gonna be perfect, but as long as it works, I guess. Right? So, there's that. That is a reinforced rear end. Not bad for my first one. If I ground flap this, it'll come out a little better, a little cleaner. Got some differential gear oil right there. But yeah, that's it. So, once again, like, subscribe, hit that little red button thing. I don't know. It says something. I don't know. Make sure you turn it. I don't know. It turns gray or something. You get it, I think. Hit that joint, and I'll keep dropping more videos. Until next time, go do a backyard boogie. Peace.